We have a 2014 Mercedes S500 Smart Key, and we just calculated the password. Insert the ignition key into the EIS, turn it on, click OK, waiting 30 seconds. Now, we were told that the Autel doesn't support the smart key, so it would only be a regular key that works the ignition even though it's a smart key. But we're gonna see if that's true. Okay. Insert the blank key. That's our blank key. Put that into there. Key addition complete. Let's check if this new key right here can start the car. That's the new key. You have to change the battery on that. Nope. That's the original. That did not work, so let's see what's going on. Okay, we just put it in a bunch of times and we also changed the battery. And now, this new key works the car. And let's start it up. Alright, now to check the keyless go. So this is the keyless go key that we have. And we put the push button inside and we are going to test it out right now. This is the guy's testing his original key out there. Keep on pushing the buttons. Let me let him know it's... Hey, don't keep on pushing the buttons. I'm testing this key out.
Oh, you testing it?
Yeah, so let's see how this works. Push the button right here. That's the keyless go using Autel. We just added a key and it works, but it's a smart key, not just your standard classic key that you get from anywhere. All right. There we go. Test it out. Lock, unlock, and push to start. Okay, everything works. Ending the function. Now let's see. Key. Let's turn this off. Put this key into here. Click OK. Alright, so this is key number 8. That's the key password right there. Key number 8. And you got that many amount of times to use the key. And it was used 14 times. Alright, perfect. Everything's perfect, good to go. That's our key, 2013 S500.